Hello, welcome to the science project class. Okay, today we are going to do an activity on plants. Okay, so the name of the activity is how seed become plants. Okay, it's a very interesting activity you can do by yourself or you can seek a help from your parents. Okay, so how seed become plants? The activity is how seeds become a plant. Okay, so let's look. Okay, this is the life cycle of plants, right? We have a seed. The seed, after some days, you can see a seed starts to sprout, right? This is sprout, and after that you can see some roots, right? You can see the roots here, okay, for absorption of water, and you can see the seedling, right? You can see the seedling stage where you can see the roots and you can see some leaves. Okay, this is the stage where you can see more leaves and roots. Okay, this is the life cycle. After some days you can see the plant starts to give flowers and fruits. Okay, that is the life cycle of plants. So today assignment or activity is based on some seeds to become a plant. Okay, so first of all you need some materials for doing the activity, right? You need a flower pot. Okay, you can see the flower pot. Okay, you need a flower pot and you need some soil. Okay, we need some soil and we need some seeds. Okay, you can take chili seeds, any seeds you like. You can collect any seed you like. Okay, some water. Okay, that is the materials needed. Okay, so take a flower pot and put some soil. You can see, you can put or add some soil into the flower pot. Okay, you can see this, and after that you can add some seeds. You can choose any seed you like. You can add some seed into the soil, right? And you need to water the seeds. Water the seeds. Hmm? And put the flower pot in the sunlight. Okay, where I told you plants need sunlight, plants need water, plants need soil, right? Okay, so put the flower pot in the sunlight. Okay, and watch day to day what is happening to the seeds. You can see the seeds are slowly germinating, right? You can record your observation. Okay, okay, you did a flower pot, add some soil, add some seeds, water, add some water, place it in the sunlight, and after some days you can see the seeds started to become a plant. After some days the plant starts to have some flowers. Okay, and this is your plant observation journal. Okay, you need to type or write the seeds you planted. For example, you took a chili seed, you write chili seed, or you can use, you take a sunflower seed, you can write sunflower seed. Okay, you need to name the seed which you are taken, and this is when you date seed planted. For example, you are planting today, you need to write today's date. Okay, and you need to record your observation. For example, day 1, day 2, what you saw. Day 3, you can see some germinating. You can take a photo or you can draw. Okay, you can draw the picture of the thing that you saw on the day. Okay, like this you have to complete this journal. After the last day you can see the plant starts to give the flowers, right? You can take a photo or you can draw a picture what you see. Okay, so that is the activity. You can seek a help from your parents for having some soil. Okay, it's very interesting. And take the photo and send to the group so that I can look around what you are doing, and you can record a video for planting the seed. You can record a video. Okay, that's all for today, and see you in the next class. Bye. Love you. Take care.